Winterberg is a small town in the Hochsauerland district, in North Rhine-Westphalia in central Germany. Winterberg, located in the Rothar Mountains, is part of the Sauerland, and is the closest German winter sports area from the Netherlands. The place has a ski jump, a bobsleigh track, a number of summer toboggan runs and a very large bike park for all levels. It is located at an altitude of 500 to 800 meters above sea level. The city itself is cozy, but especially the surroundings are worthwhile if you like hiking, mountain biking and other outdoor activities. The latter of course especially in summer, because in winter the place is best known for its many ski slopes, as the name, Winter Mountain, suggests. Close to the place there are some great hiking trails. A very nice walk starts directly in the center of the place and goes through a gorge, which makes you forget for a while that you are only 2 hours drive away from the Netherlands. The valley, deeply carved by a river which is crossed a number of times by bridges, makes you feel being somewhere in the Alps. Many views make you forget the routine of everyday life and quickly give you a real holiday feeling. After a long walk, it is important to rest well in the evening to be able to go out fresh in the morning. So come along for a look inside Landal GreenParks Winterberg. Landal Winterberg is located on a hill within walking distance of the town with the same name and directly on the slopes and hiking trails. The park is clearly laid out, but take into account that there are large height differences, which do not always make it easy for disabled people to move around. The park has a central main building located at the entrance of the park. Here you arrive through a short narrow road from the main road. In the main building there is, among other things, the reception and a play area for the little ones. From the main building you also go to the indoor pool. For the inner man you will find a snack bar in the same building, and a cozy restaurant. If you do not want to eat outside, there is a small supermarket where all the necessities for a nice weekend in your own bungalow are available. From firewood to sandwiches to an alcoholic snack. Next to the restaurant is an outdoor terrace, where you can relax on sunny days and from where you have a good overview of the little ones in the playground. Today we take you for a look inside a standard 6-person house. These are all located against the hill and have a nice view from the front. The cottage has a spacious entrance with attached toilet and a small bathroom with shower. This is very practically situated next to the 2-person bedroom on the ground floor. Through the entrance you walk into the spacious living room with a cozy sitting area with wood stove. A large dining table overlooking the terrace gives enough space to have dinner or play a game with a family of 6. A kitchen with all appliances completes the ground floor. Please note, there is no oven in this type of cottage. There is a Senseo coffee maker, and the welcome package contains dishwasher tablets. She's a pretty sweet thing, the kind of woman you adore. Back through the entrance you reach the upper floor, with a large 2-person bedroom with cot. It can be wonderfully quiet here, but unfortunately we heard people who had not slept because of the neighbor's party. The park may have more attention for this. On the other side of the hallway, you will find a small room with 2 single beds, and a wonderful view. If you cross the hallway, you enter the second bathroom with bath. Refresh yourself here, before you go home after a relaxing holiday. Have a good trip.